भाइयों राम राम। जय श्री राम। जय साई राम। थर्सडे भाई, आज आ गया यार पार्क में। बाय गॉड ग्रेस जिंदा हूँ। एंजॉइंग माई स्टफ ऑन ग्रास. It gives me a earthing here, having electric current inside. Hopefully you know it. Right. और सुनाओ, आप नहीं सुनाओगे तो मैं सुना देता हूँ. बात ये है यार, we were talking about success factors. There's a different criteria for success for everyone. We feel that temporarily things are with us. That is not a success. You know what I mean, right? Think about the permanent things which we are going to carry forward, maybe in our next birth. Yes, your soul got a wisdom, and that wisdom transferred to our next birth. What I believe so. Not only belief, that is, I have faith, 100% faith. After knowing my God, how do he takes care of me, takes out from me, takes out all problems. Till the time I do not surrender, nothing is going to happen. I have to leave it to some of the things to the God, which are not in my control. Be happy, do not frustrate yourself. आज पढ़ रहा था यार कुछ, how to be a stubborn, have a stubborn mindset, यानी कि dangerous confidence in odd situations. Like if somebody will disrespect me, I have to be silent, no matter what. Think about it. No reaction required. That is the beauty. Silence makes everything goes into your favor. Because एक बार वाणी निकल गई, वाइब्रेशन निकल गई ना, that transfer to somebody's mind, it will, it won't come out so easily from anybody's mind till the life ends. So I have to make the happy surroundings, right? And there is a fund of agreed with disagree. Silence shows you are not confident about disagree. That means you are agreed, right? And whatever the situation, discomfort level, I have to come out from my discomfort level. And till the time my life goes on, discomfort is always there. I have to face all kind of situations. Nevertheless, whatever kind of environment, situations, conditions, God is testing my soul here. That is what the phenomena is. Challenge is always there in everybody's life. If I see somebody else's life, there are more challenges other than me. Mine is nothing. So, still I am happy. You see, there might be different challenges, but I have to definitely bear those, and I have to think about the solution. Do not get frustrated. Frustrated mind cannot think a proper solution altogether. Appropriate solutions. If it is the solution doesn't come to your mind, then leave it to the God. I mean, fundamentally, in odd situation, whether it is meeting, whether it is relationship, how much dangerously you are confident. That comes from your body language as well, mindset, Rather than the words, our body language should, talk. That's another aspect of life, how to say politely with your body language. Yeah, man. That's how I get a inner peace. I move towards, you know, spiritual life. I mean, mental imbalance. Emotions also. Yeah, I don't have to react through emotions immediately. That is work. If I'm reacting and I'm suppressing thoughts, not able to hear and now, not able to hear properly, not able to understand somebody's voice, anybody in this, any human, whether he is or she is small enough, छोटा बड़ा कुछ नहीं, छोटा बच्चा भी मेरे को बहुत कुछ सिखा देता है यार. If I want to learn, learning makes me happy inside. Crazy enough, I remain in a learning attitude. That's how my problem goes away. Yaar. Critical situations, I become dangerously confident, like a CEO, like a entrepreneur. Yeah, and nevertheless, do not think yourself underestimate. In fact, I learned, do not compare with others as well. कंपेयर करना है तो भाई सेल्फ से कंपेयर करो. व्हाट इज़ माई कैलिबर एंड व्हाट आई हैव डन एंड वेयर डू आई स्टैंड, वेयर कैन आई गो, हाउ कैन आई गो, हाउ कैन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड. या दैट इज व्हाट कंपैरिजन इज ऑल अबाउट, राइट. सेल्फ एनालिसिस इज द बेस्ट एनालिसिस. I don't have to take that somebody else inventory what he is doing. I have to keep myself in action. Yeah. Nowadays I'm busy without work. No matter what, I'm happy, inner peace, enjoying my days. Right? So every day I'm learning here. That's a good factor. And भाई आज अपना लोनी के बारे में भी सोच रहा था. People, my friends have given me the tolerance. खींच के इतनी बड़ी tolerance बना दी है अंदर. Doesn't matter. Whoever says something doesn't impact me. That gives me the tolerance, patience, along with friends. Learning was great enough here. Thank you so much being with me. Have patience. Have a happy, nice day. Lovely day, rainy day. It's raining. Yesterday night, evening, night, it was raining, drizzling. I was enjoying. Thank you so much. Have a lucky day ahead. Thanks.